Is vinegar safe for your cat?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important question that concerns many cat owners. Will vinegar harm my cat if they come into contact with it? Let's unravel the mystery of cats and vinegar.
What is vinegar?
Vinegar is a commonly used household product, known for its acidity and strong smell. It's widely used in cooking, cleaning, and even as a natural remedy for various ailments. However, it's important to remember that what might be beneficial for humans might not be the same for our pets. Is this the case with vinegar and cats? Let's find out.
Can vinegar harm cats?
Cats are known for their curiosity and can often come into contact with substances around the home. When it comes to vinegar, the good news is that it's not typically dangerous for cats if they just come into contact with it. However, undiluted vinegar could cause minor skin irritation if they have prolonged contact with it. On the other hand, vinegar should not be ingested by cats. It's far too acidic and can cause gastrointestinal upset, including vomiting or diarrhea. Plus, it can also cause oral irritation. In severe cases, if a large amount of vinegar is consumed, it can even lead to acidity-related health complications. Therefore, it's better to keep vinegar out of your cat's reach to prevent accidental ingestion.
Can vinegar be used as a cleaning agent?
Now, let's consider the case of vinegar used as a cleaning agent in households. As it's a natural product, many people prefer it over commercial cleaning agents. If you're one of those people, you might wonder, is it safe to use around my cat? Yes, vinegar can be used as a cleaning agent even if you have cats. Once it dries, it's generally safe. However, it's important to ensure your cat is not in the area while you're cleaning with vinegar. The strong smell of vinegar can be irritating to a cat's sensitive nose. After cleaning, make sure the area is dry and the smell has dissipated before allowing your cat back in. So, in summary, while vinegar is not inherently harmful for cats to come into contact with, it's better to avoid direct and prolonged contact. It should never be ingested by cats and care should be taken to keep it out of their reach. When used as a cleaning agent, ensure your cat is not around due to the strong smell, and only let them back in the cleaned area once it's dry and the smell has gone. I hope this video has been helpful in addressing your concerns about cats and vinegar. Remember, it's always best to consult your vet if you have any doubts. See you in the next video.